Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. So today we present another interesting and informative video. Friends, during the construction of the foundations of large bridges built over water, the most difficult challenge for engineers is the water itself. Before starting the regular video, we have a small request from you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe first. Viewers, unknowingly, how many bridges we pass over every day. But most of us don't pay much attention to the masterpiece of construction hidden in it. The construction of bridges is much more difficult than that of buildings. Because the load of the building remains stable. But the load on the bridge is never the same. Bridges have to bear millions of tons of weight on a daily basis. And that too a load that is moving from one place to another. Now as the population is increasing, the importance of bridges and flyovers is also increasing. And this importance increases even more when the bridges are not built on land but over water. Yes, absolutely. While construction workers on land face the most difficult challenges, workers on water face 10 times more difficult challenges in building bridges. In building a bridge over water, every inch or even millimeter is pre-calculated. Because if there is a mistake of even a millimeter, billions of rupees as well as millions of lives can be lost in one blow. Be it the construction of houses, buildings, or bridges, they all have one thing in common, and that is their foundation. As no structure can be built without a foundation, similarly the construction of bridges is not possible without a foundation. Now the question here is that the foundation of bridges built on deep sea and deep river is underwater, so how is this foundation built underwater? After all, how is this work done under the waves of the sea in billions of liters of water? And how these undersea foundations are so strong that they hold the bridge firmly in place despite the high pressure of water and waves. So let's know all this in this interesting video. Viewers, the first task for engineers to do construction in water is to find the water depth. And at the same time getting complete information about the land that is under the water. That is, how deep is the water? Is the land under the water rocky or sandy? Professional divers are sent to the depths of the ocean to find out all this information. And for weeks and months the process of getting information goes on. If the water is less, the construction of the foundation will also be easier. But if the water is deep, there will be a danger to the life of the workers, and also the cost and labor on the construction will be more. The challenge that workers face after receiving information is of utmost importance. Finally, how to remove the water from this place to make a structure. Because no matter how deep the water is, the water has to be removed from the place where the foundation is to be built. But now how to remove the water? Now the engineers have found 3 ways for this too. Number 1. The first and oldest method is called cofferdam. That is, the place where the construction has to be done, so much soil is poured on the 4 sides of the place that it is above the water level. When all 4 sides are blocked, the water is drained from the center and the area is dried. And then the construction work can be done comfortably at that place. But this task is not so easy. Because it often happens that the soil placed on the sides becomes soft and the water pressure breaks the dam wall and enters the construction side. Due to which the lives of the workers are also in danger. Now to deal with this problem, cofferdam is not made of clay but iron shield. That is, the iron shields are inserted into the water one by one with the help of a machine, which takes the form of a strong wall. And then the cofferdam is removed after the construction work is over. Number 2. Another method of building a foundation is called caissons. In this method, the foundation is first built on the ground and then it is transported by a ship to the place where it is to be installed. Now the main challenge for the engineers is to put this foundation underwater. Because this foundation is like a box which is closed at the bottom and open at the top. And if it is put into such water, it will float on top of the water. Engineers have a way to prevent this foundation from falling on water. If the water is too deep, then with the help of ships, the earth is filled under the water by adding big stones. And then the caissons are placed on this mountain of stones with the help of ship's crane. And at the end concrete is poured on top of this foundation to make it heavier and stronger. Number 3. Viewers, but if the water is deeper than that, then what should be done? So the third method is used for this. And this method is called battered piles. In this method, large iron pipes are first delivered to the construction site. Now the plan is to sink these pipes into the ground underwater first. But now, how will the work of descente be finally possible? Because these pipes are not so light that they can be easily sunk into the ground. Because each pipe weighs 1,000 tons. So now for this special type of coffees are ordered and installed on the construction side through big ships. Those who constantly knock these pipes into the ground so much that now there are big waves or hurricanes, these pipes cannot be moved even a millimeter from here to there. Now a very strong foundation is created under the deep water on which the bridge can be constructed. But it's not as easy as it might make you hear. Because in this whole process many workers lose their lives along with years of hard work. Friends, currently, the longest bridge in the world is built in China. Amazingly, this bridge is 165 kilometers long, which was developed in just 5 years. And 10,000 workers were working at the same time to build this bridge. And 640 billion rupees were spent on this bridge. So viewers, I hope today's video was also interesting and informative for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that you can be entertained by more interesting videos to come. Now with that I want permission. Goodbye.